Welcome to Shorthand Hub channel. Hi everyone and welcome back to your speed building practice. Today we are tackling an Australian parliamentary speech at the rate of 80 words per minute. This passage focuses on regional infrastructure and farming. Remember to keep your pen light and focus on accuracy. If you drop a word, just let it go and keep moving. Get your pens ready. We start in 10 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Mr. Speaker, I rise today to speak on the importance of the regional connectivity and future agricultural bill, a piece of legislation that goes to the very heart of what it means to live and work in this great southern land. For too long, the tyranny of distance has been the defining challenge for the men and women of the bush. From the cane fields of far north Queensland to the wheat belts of Western Australia, our constituents are asking for a fair go. We know that the prosperity of our nation was built off the sheep's back, but today it is built on the back of innovation, resilience, and connectivity. It is no longer acceptable that a student in a remote community cannot access the same educational resources as a student in Sydney or Melbourne simply because the NBN connection drops out when the wind changes. It is no longer acceptable that our primary producers who export the finest beef and grain to the world are hamstrung by crumbling roads and freight networks that have not seen significant investment in decades. Mr. Speaker, this bill addresses those deficits. It directs funding specifically toward upgrading the arterial roads that serve as the lifeblood of our rural economy. I speak of the highways that connect our regional hubs to the ports. But it is not just about bitumen and concrete, it is about the digital highway as well. This legislation ensures that telecommunications providers must meet stricter service obligations in regional areas. When I travel through my electorate, I speak to small business owners who are trying to compete in a global market. They tell me that their ingenuity is boundless, but their infrastructure is holding them back. They possess that quintessential Australian spirit, tough, resourceful, and optimistic, but they can't do it alone. They require a government that looks beyond the city limits and understands the unique pressures of life on the land. Furthermore, we must acknowledge the changing climate in which our farmers operate. Water security is the most pressing issue of our time. This bill provides the framework for new water infrastructure projects that will drought proof our communities for the next generation. We are not just fixing today's problems, we are laying the groundwork for the next 50 years of Australian agriculture. In conclusion, Mr. Speaker, this is not a partition issue. Whether we sit on the government benches or in opposition, we all eat the food grown by our farmers and we all benefit from the wealth generated by our regions. To ignore the bush is to ignore the engine room of our economy. I commend this bill to the House and I urge all honorable members to support the hardworking families of regional Australia who keep this country moving forward. Stop. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. If you want to encourage our channel, please join through the join button. Thank you. Dictation passes PDF link is in description box. Thank you.